driver's seat of a McLaren 720S. We've done a custom exhaust, we've done a tune upgrade, and we've done an intake upgrade, and we've also added blow-off valves. So the sound is phenomenal, the extra power is phenomenal, the car handles it perfectly, and I'm excited to see how it does. So let's see what happens. Drives like factory, which is already amazing. We're not discounting anything that McLaren does. We just gave it more horsepower, which is what we do. That's our main thing. So, and I just went 163 on the back half of the track, and I could probably push between 3 and 5 more mile an hour out of this thing. But what we're really out here doing is just validation testing. I'm making sure that this car is going to perform exactly how we advertise and how we need it to for our special customer when he receives it. And in the process, we're recording. So, yeah, wow. Stock 720 is really fast, but this takes it to a whole nother level, and I drive a lot of fast cars every day, so for me to say something is fast nowadays, it's probably really fast. Alright, so here's what we're going to do now. We're going to use launch control, and we are going to validate the 0 to 60 time, and this is not on a prep track, this is just the back half of our track. Launch control in this thing is phenomenal, just like all the McLarens. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is turn everything to track, you hit active, and then you hit launch control. And then it's going to ask you awaiting full throttle. So you put your left foot on the brake, you hold the gas full throttle, and it says building boost, and then it says ready. And then you just lift off the brake, and you go, and you hold on for dear life, and boom. It's really that easy. The car does a great job at controlling itself and making sure you're good to go. But I mean, it's so fast. Here we go. Oh my gosh, what in the world? That was crazy. I can't wait for the customer to get it, because he's gonna text me and be like, dude, my car is insane. So if you're watching a Hennessey video for the first time, the huge thing that separates us is you get a warranty with everything we modify. We want to build street cars, something that you can drive every day, something that you're confident in, something that's reliable, so that you can enjoy it as much as you want. So give us a shout, let us build your next build. Check our website, check our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. We got a podcast, check that out. All the above, we're here for you guys. Thank you to the fans, to our customers, to anybody who's been loyal to us. We appreciate you. And to everybody else, just try and keep up. All right, see you guys.
Yeah.